Here I've got UMIDIGI Z2, and let me show you how to use all the secret codes on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, and let me start with the first one, and it is *##, 4636 #*#. And as you can see, we are in testing mode now, and here you can come along with such information as phone info, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi details. Let me start with phone info. And here you can read phone number, email number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service. Also, you can perform a ping test here, just click on run ping test. And here you've got the answer, and just scroll down, find whichever information you need to check, and then you can smoothly go back to the home screen. And then let's check user statistics. Here you can smoothly check some details regarding your application. So for example, if you would like to check the usage time, so for example, as you can see, TFT was played for 40 minutes here. Let's go back, and then under Wi-Fi info, you can check Wi-Fi details like APA configuration and also Wi-Fi status. And if you would like to check Wi-Fi status, you have to refresh it, and here you've got the answer. Then you can also perform a ping test by tapping on run ping test, and here you've got it. So let me go back. And now let's go to the second code, which is *##, 426 #*#. And here we are in diagnostic mode. Here you can check events and also status. And if you tap on the more icon, you can open advanced view, so you have some more details included right now. That would be all for this code. And the third one is *##, 225 #*#. And as you can see here, we've got the calendar info. So if you have any important dates, any celebrations, anniversaries included in your both Google and Calendar and internal storage, you will find all the events here, so you will not forget about any of them. And the last code, the shortest one, but super useful, is *##, 06 #. And as you can see, this one will provide you with both email numbers that you have and also serial number assigned to your UMIDIGI Z2. So actually that would be all. These are all secret codes that you can use on this device. Use them as often as you want to and as only you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.